Hi, I'm Nur Rohman, and this is MechaCode Guardian, a safety-oriented AI maintenance coworker for mechatronics technicians. Industrial technicians spend too much time searching fragmented manuals and using trial and error. In maintenance, unsupported AI recommendations risk equipment damage and severe hazards. MechaCode Guardian solves this by analyzing symptoms using traceable evidence, not guesswork. Built with React, FastAPI, Astra DB, and Gemini, the system retrieves synthetic maintenance knowledge while enforcing strict safety gates. Before showing any diagnosis, the backend validates equipment compatibility, enforces retrieval confidence checks, and grounds every citation. First, I'll submit a critical hazard, visible smoke and arcing inside an energized panel. The deterministic safety gate intercepts this before the LLM even processes it. It immediately flashes a critical escalation alert, instructs the technician to stop work, and completely hides normal recommendations. Next, I'll input an unknown experimental machine with no verified data. The evidence fails the safe threshold, triggering a safe refusal. It doesn't guess causes or fabricate checklists, effectively preventing unsafe recommendations from reaching the technician. Third, I'll submit an induction motor experiencing abnormal vibration and overheating. The system retrieves compatible documentation and returns a high-confidence, grounded diagnosis. It ranks probable causes like loose mounting or bearing damage, linking each to a specific citation. The generated checklist mandates lockout, tagout procedures before physical inspection. For a normal, grounded diagnosis, the result is saved as a traceable session. Technicians can download a structured PDF or CSV audit report, preserving the exact state returned by the backend. Throughout development, IBM Bob was my primary AI partner for architecture, debugging, and safety review. However, I retained full responsibility for testing and final technical execution. The system passed 136 back-end tests, plus front-end validation. MechaCode Guardian supports the future of work by accelerating troubleshooting while preserving human authority. Evidence before diagnosis, safety before action. Thank you.